Morning guys, this is Kenzo, extra hot forex. So today is Tuesday. Let's go straight to NASDAQ and US30. So for those who want to join my team, my signals for everything that you see: gold, S&P 500, US30, NASDAQ 100, German 30, and currency pairs, it's $50 one-time fee. My numbers are here, you can see that, or I can just write them after this. So because there's people who want to join the team, but if you want to join only the signals for NASDAQ and US30, it's only $15. So results like this, this one's we traded today. So let's see. Yeah, okay, you see for $15 it's NASDAQ and US30. So it's only these are the some of the results that we got yesterday. So we trading like this. So let's go straight to US30 and NASDAQ 100. So I'm just going to write my contact again on the screen for you, for everyone who wants to be in the team, because I can see people, they still ask my contacts even though I include them on my description. I don't know if maybe they don't go through the description. So here are my contacts. It's plus 27 counter code 73 990-980-01. Yeah, here are my contacts. You can use them for WhatsApp and for Telegram. So I hope maybe you got everything here. If you don't, maybe you missed this part, still you can get them on my description. On each and every video that I do, on the description there is my contact. So I hope you got that if you need some help. So let's go straight to NASDAQ 100. We see that NASDAQ is really going high. Let's see. The bigger picture is NASDAQ is still going higher, but we are around this area. This it's our current higher high. You see that? You see we are in a higher high here around that zone. So I think the market can push higher. That's what I think. I think the market can break this area and retest before it can continue to go high, you see. So I think if you checked my daily analysis, which I done yesterday, I explained everything there also, but here is just the continuation. So I expect NASDAQ to go high, but that doesn't mean that we won't have small rejections. So we can still have small rejections before we see a breakout, before we can get another nice and new high, because this won't last here. I don't think this will just stay here forever. So the market will create another new high, you see. So let's go straight to a bit smaller time frame and see what we can expect from that time frame. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe, guys. Let's grow the channel. Thanks to everyone who subscribed already. Thank you so much. So here we have something like, you can see this is a resistant. We can call this a not that strong resistant, but you can, let me just leave it like that. Let me do this, something like that. So here we also have something like this. You can start from here, you can see, and connect everything, you see. So we have this wedge, so it means at the moment it's no longer safe, even if you want to buy, unless maybe we can count from this breakout. But I think the best thing is to wait for this breakout, because it's I think it's not really strong. It's there is a new high before that, but we can still buy from this area when the market breaks here. But we will count when we are here. We will just make sure we lock our profit. If the market start to resist around this area, it's where we can just close. But if it goes higher than this, it means we might see a very nice moves after this and a new high after we break this area. It's not really a strong area to break. It's just a new high. It's not similar to this one. You can see here the market came several times. So here the market just came once, tested once, then the market never reached that area ever. I mean, since then. But now I think the market can reach there. So we are in this wedge, so we expect the market to break. But if we don't break here, it means we can break the lower one. So there is this strategies when they say, oh, if wedges like this, the market, it means it will go down. The market is, I don't think the market really works like that. Yes, sometimes it does happen like that, but the market will, if it's time for the market to go up, whether maybe the wedge is ascending or descending, if maybe it's time for the market to go up, it will go up every time it wants to do that. So it doesn't matter whether maybe the wedge is ascending or descending. So the market, if it wants to go up, if it's time for the market to go up, the market will just go up. If it's time for the market to go down, it will just do like that. That's why even if you know all this type of wedges, it doesn't mean that you will catch every opportunity. People still lose even if they know those things. It's to show that those things, they are not really like, it's not like they're 100%. So from this area, obviously we're just waiting for the market whether to break lower. Maybe for those people who want to sell, they will sell. Then if it breaks our resistance, it means it's where we can say we want to buy. You see, so for NASDAQ, I think everything is easy. Let's go straight to US30. On US30 here, let me start on 4-hour time frame. So even here we can see that we are on a very nice uptrend. If you want to check my previous videos, go check them, because I won't go through this area what happened here. I just want to go around currently what's really happening at the moment. So let's see, let me zoom. It's 4-hour time frame, guys. You can see that actually we are on a very strong uptrend. It means, let me remove this, it means the market is creating, you can see from this area, the market, it was just going up and down. We can see something like this to happen, not perfectly as I drawn, but you can see if I draw exactly the way the market, you can see it's not perfect, but it's really creating something like that, you see. So we expect the market to push higher from these areas, so but we can expect the market to come a little bit lower before we can say we buy, because if you place your buy here, it means you're giving the market the chance to bounce back a little bit for some rejections. The market can come around this area before it can push higher, you see. So the best thing is wait for the market to go a little bit lower, then you can buy. But if you buy around here, it means you're going to put your stop loss around here, which is going to be much bigger. You know how US30, the drawdown of US30 is deadly, so you don't have to play around that. So let's go to 1 hour. On an hour, guys, I still see the same thing. I still see the same thing. We can see that the market is on a very nice uptrend, but even if here the market is trying to consolidate, but the market can still go higher. And remember, it doesn't mean that the market is going up and down like this. It doesn't mean that the market will always come around this area and touch this area, because the market is bullish. It means the market can not, sometimes it doesn't even have to reach this area, can just bounce around this any point. It can just come, sometimes touch, sometimes it doesn't come even near our support line. So be careful when maybe you do your analysis, because if you just focus on the market to touch exactly here, it means sometimes you're going to miss a lot of them. But it's also safe, because if maybe you were just waiting for this, it means you were going to get several trades here, which they don't really come as often. So still around this area, you were going to get the trades if maybe you already knew that this is an uptrend, you see. So sometimes we have to take advantage of this uptrends. You can see here, you can see here, you can see here. So even here, it means the market can come create something like this before it can even reach this area. So I hope maybe you understood something. If not, I showed you my contacts. I can even write them again. It's like this: country code 27 7 3990 9801. You can find me on WhatsApp or Telegram. Please, if you want to be in a group, there's VIP group, $50 and $15. $15 is only NASDAQ 100 and US30. This is Kenzo, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. I will see you on the next one. Bye.